Hey there, I just wanted to introduce you to our brand new Groundhog integration with HelpScout. We use internally HelpScout for our own support purposes, and you may use HelpScout in your business as well to field tickets and support for your own customers. So we built an integration because we needed it, and we think that you might be able to get some use out of it too. So let me walk you through some of the benefits of using the Groundhog integration with HelpScout. So number one, and most importantly, is that the Groundhog HelpScout integration adds a brand new benchmark to Groundhog, so you can start and stop or move people forward in funnels based on events in HelpScout. For example, I can set this up to send an email after we've successfully closed a ticket, maybe to send out a request for someone to leave a review after we successfully close a ticket in a certain amount of time. So the HelpScout event, which we want to choose from, is conversation status updated. So when a conversation's status is updated, for example, from pending to closed, we then need to select the mailbox ID. I have linked another video to show you how to get your mailbox ID. If you leave this empty, any mailbox that you have will trigger this event. We can filter by the conversation status, which we want to set to closed because we only want this to be triggered for conversations which are closed. We can also filter by conversation tags in HelpScout if you want to filter maybe by like tags, for example, refund, or tags, for example, very urgent. So those people can get different kinds of emails. And that's it. So that's the Groundhog benchmark, or the HelpScout benchmark in Groundhog rather. The second cool thing that the Groundhog integration with HelpScout does is if you go over to HelpScout in a mailbox, you can add this brand new widget and in the sidebar. And what it will do is it will actually fetch from Groundhog that person's information, some basic contact fields like their name, their opt-in status, so you can see if they're unconfirmed or they're confirmed, or they might have been spam, various different options, but it'll show in red if they're marketable, green if they're, or red if they're non-marketable, green if they are marketable. It'll have a nifty link to take you directly to the contact record there. If they have an associated user record in WordPress as well, it'll show a link to their user profile. It'll tell you how long they've actually been on your list, so member since February. If there's any location data available, it will display that as well as their local time. And it'll show you a list of all of the tags that they have in Groundhog. So super useful if you just want to quickly check someone's conversation and their history with you in Groundhog. So that, in a nutshell, is the Groundhog HelpScout integration. Thanks, and I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day.